Hi, I'm Mo, and I've lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months just by using the right ingredients. And so have hundreds of our clients that are currently doing it with us. And you can too. So make sure you start your weight loss journey. And in this video, I want to share with you guys how consistency is key for any weight loss journey. And I want to share my top tips for staying on track and making this lifestyle and this weight loss journey sustainable for the long haul. Because the worst thing you can do is get started and then gain weight, because that would just make you feel terrible, and that is never ever the goal. So you want to make sure that when you start a weight loss journey, you have everything preemptively set up correctly so you raise your probability of success. Now, the common challenges with being consistent for weight loss is, one, people who don't see results right away tend to lose motivation or believe it's not going to work. And that is not how you're supposed to do this. All of this is set for the long haul. You need to have a longer term mentality. Yes, I understand our programs make you lose weight very fast. I understand our retreats make you lose weight very fast. But if you're doing it from home and you're maybe not using what we're showing, you might not lose weight very fast, and it might really demotivate you. And please, my advice is don't stop whatever you're doing, even if it's working. A lot of times people try to do weight loss at home and they're following old regimens and they're not actually fixing their metabolic state. They're just trying to outwork it. That's why they go to these gym sessions or pay thousands for these special coaches. At the end of the day, that is not going to be your long-term solution. But I will say this, if it is working for you, please don't stop, because you are better off losing the weight and then later fixing your metabolic problems than keeping the weight on while having metabolic issues, because it's only going to make the downhill worse if you're already big and you're also getting sicker from it. So besides losing motivation, another problem for challenges would be not knowing what to eat. Right? And many people go to the gym for hours a day and they start seeing weight loss thanks to the power of thermodynamics. The problem is it isn't sustainable for the long run, and a lot of people cannot commit to that many hours being a day at the gym for years to come, as life does occur. Work, things happen, family, and all those things do not need to deter you from your life-changing strategy. So now we know the challenges: motivation, not knowing what to eat, and the last one I would say is consistency. But that goes hand in hand with both of these, because if you are not enjoying it and you are also not getting results, you're not going to be consistent. If you don't know what to eat, it's not going to give you the right results, and it's not going to be as fast. You also won't be as consistent. So you really kind of need to solve these two in order to get the consistency factor happening. And besides that, you need to make it easy on yourself. Like with our retreats, everything's very easy. The food's on the table ready to go for you. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to do anything. With our home program, we give you the recipes. You know exactly what to make, when to make it, and what day. So as long as you follow that type of plan for yourself, it should make it simpler for you. So you want to remove all sorts of restrictions that make it easy for you to lose weight. Like, I'm not a big fan of being on camera, but I had to move all of my restrictions and make it easy to be able to record like this consistently. That's one example of how I made a life change to make it simpler to hopefully impact millions of lives. Now, with that information, the best way to do it to make it easy would be to meal prep and plan. The last video I just posted has that breakdown, so definitely watch that, and it will show you exactly how to count your macros and exactly what time frame to eat in order to lose the weight. So you need to make it easy, and the best way to make it easy is to follow the meal plan and the time that you have allotted to doing this. Right now, if we look online, the average of losing weight is 1 to 2 pounds a week. So even if you're doing that, following these types of plans, and you're healing metabolically, you're going to change your life faster than you know it. And the weight loss will get faster if you're one of the people only losing 1 pound to 2 pounds a week, which is ironically the standard weight loss. Now, many of our clients and retreat goers lose anywhere from 4 to 5. I even had a client lose 10 pounds a week. I've done it many times. So I know it's doable, but don't let that be your expectation. Your expectation should be that you're at least meeting the minimum standard goal that the whole world does, which is just 1 to 2 pounds a week. And if you just follow that, you're always actually going to be winning, because you're going to see gains, and the more gains you see and the more results you see, the easier it's going to be for you to be consistent. So focus on getting small results, not big results, and make your time horizon for this a very long time horizon, not a short window. Your goal should not be to lose all the weight that you've been gaining for years in under a week. Your goal should be This is going to take me a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months, and regardless, as long as I do this right while enjoying it, then I'm not only going to lose weight, but I'm going to metabolically heal and fix my hormones. And that is the most beneficial thing for the long run, which will guarantee you less medical bills and less medical problems. And that's more important than anything. I hope this video helped for you guys. Also, don't forget, we are, thanks to the support of everybody, we are able to do one free coaching session a month and one free retreat per retreat. So don't miss out on your chance. I will leave the link below. Just fill it out. And when there's a spot available and you're picked, we'll send you an email. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.